scheme for development of knitting and knitwear sector. Union Minister of Textiles launched a comprehensive scheme for development of knitting and knitwear sector under Power Tex India, which will be in operation up to March 31, 2020. The scheme envisages the creation of new service centers on public-private partnership (PPP) model by industry and association in the knitting and knitwear clusters. It also entails modernization and upgradation of existing power loom service centers and institutions run by textile research associations and export promotion councils association in knitting and knitwear clusters. It is important to highlight that 27% of India's total cloth production comes from the knitwear industry, and knitwear presently comprises 15% of the total apparel exports. Related information. Knitwear sector. Knitting is a major segment in the entire textile value chain. Some of the major clusters in the knitted garment sector are Tirupur in Tamil Nadu, Ludhiana in Punjab, Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh and Kolkata in West Bengal. Tirupur is the most important export cluster, followed by Ludhiana.